There was a time when cleaning felt like a battle I could never win. I would spend hours scrubbing, organizing, moving things around, and by the end of the week, everything looked the same again. It was exhausting. Then I started learning about how people in certain parts of the world approach their homes differently. Not with more effort, but with more intention. Small shifts in the way they think about cleaning changed everything. And when I tried a few of those changes myself, I noticed something right away. The house stayed cleaner with less work. The mess stopped building up so fast, and I felt lighter, calmer, more in control of my own space. Today, I want to share 9 of those changes with you. Change 1. Clean before it gets dirty. Most of us wait until the mess is obvious before we do anything about it. The counter gets sticky, the floor collects dust, and then we spend a long time fixing it all at once. In the Japanese mindset, there is a different approach. You take care of things before they become a problem. A quick wipe after cooking, a few seconds sweeping the entrance every morning. It does not feel like cleaning because it is so small, but that is exactly the point. When you act before the dirt settles, you avoid those heavy cleaning sessions that drain your energy. For someone over 60, this means less physical strain and a home that always feels fresh without the effort piling up. Change 2. Put things back the moment you finish using them. This sounds simple, but most of us do not do it. We set the scissors on the table, leave the remote on the couch, drop the mail on the counter, and slowly, without noticing, the house fills up with things out of place. In many Japanese households, every object has a home, and it goes back there right after use. This one habit alone prevents most of the clutter that makes a room feel chaotic. The common mistake is thinking you will tidy up later. Later turns into never. When you return things immediately, you never have to face a big organizing session. Your space stays calm, and you spend your time doing things you actually enjoy. Change 3. Own less, so you clean less. One thing I noticed is that the more things I had, the harder it was to keep the house in order. Shelves full of decorations collect dust. Drawers packed with items you never use become impossible to organize. The Japanese approach values simplicity, not emptiness, but having only what truly serves you. When you reduce the number of objects in a room, cleaning becomes almost effortless. You can wipe a surface in seconds instead of moving 12 things first. For anyone whose joints ache or whose energy runs low by afternoon, fewer belongings mean fewer obstacles. The house opens up, breathing becomes easier, and every room feels more peaceful. Change 4. Start your cleaning from the top. Many people begin cleaning the floor and then dust the shelves, which sends dirt right back down to where they just cleaned. This is one of the most common mistakes, and it doubles your work. In the Japanese way of caring for a home, you always start from the highest point and move downward. Dust the top of cabinets first, then shelves, then counters, and finally the floor. Gravity does part of the job for you. Everything falls down naturally and you catch it all in one final sweep. This saves time, saves energy, and gives you a much better result. You finish once, and the room is truly done. A peaceful home starts with almost invisible details. If you'd like to learn homemade recipes and small habits that make your routine simpler, I've put everything together in a special material. It's in the pinned comment and you can get it there. Change 5. Use one product for most surfaces. Walk into most homes and you will find a cabinet full of cleaning products. One for glass, one for wood, one for the bathroom, another for the kitchen. It gets confusing, expensive, and heavy to carry around. Many Japanese households keep things far simpler. A gentle all-purpose cleaner, or even a mix of water and vinegar handles almost everything. The mistake is believing that more products mean better results. They usually just mean more clutter under the sink. When you simplify what you use, cleaning feels lighter. You grab one bottle, one cloth, and you move through the house without stopping to switch supplies. It is faster, cheaper, and much easier on your hands. Change 6. Clean in short bursts, not long marathons. Spending 3 or 4 hours cleaning on a Saturday is something many of us grew up doing. but it leaves you tired for the rest of the weekend. The Japanese method favors short, focused moments of care spread throughout the day. 5 minutes in the kitchen after breakfast. A quick tidy of the living room before sitting down in the evening. These small bursts never feel heavy. The mistake is saving everything for one big session. That is what makes cleaning feel like punishment. When you break it into tiny pieces, it fits naturally into your day. Your body does not get overwhelmed, and your home stays consistently welcoming without ever demanding too much from you. Change 7. Let fresh air do part of the work. Opening windows might seem like the most basic thing in the world, but many people keep their homes sealed all day long. Stale air traps odors, moisture, and that heavy feeling that makes a room feel unclean, even when it is not. In Japanese daily life, opening the windows each morning is almost a ritual. Fresh air circulates, dampness fades, and the house feels renewed without a single product being used. The common mistake is relying only on sprays and fresheners to make a room smell nice. Those just cover the problem. Real freshness comes from airflow. For someone who spends most of the day at home, this one habit changes how every room feels and makes breathing more comfortable too. Change 8. Make your bed as soon as you get up. A made bed changes the entire feel of a bedroom. It takes less than 2 minutes, but the effect lasts all day. In the Japanese mindset, this small act represents care and respect for your own space. It sets a tone for the morning. When the bed is done, the room looks tidy, and that feeling of order follows you into the rest of the house. The mistake most people make is leaving it for later, or thinking it does not matter because no one else will see it. But you see it, and it affects how you feel. Starting the day with one completed task gives you a quiet sense of accomplishment that carries forward into everything else you do. Change 9. Finish what you start before moving on. This is one of the most powerful changes I made. I used to start wiping the kitchen, then notice the bathroom needed attention, then go check on the laundry, and by the end of the morning, nothing was fully done. The Japanese approach teaches something important. Complete one task before beginning another. When you finish wiping the counter, put the cloth away. When you sweep one room, finish that room entirely before moving to the next. The mistake is jumping between jobs because it scatters your focus and leaves everything half done. When you stay with one task until the end, you feel a real sense of progress. Each finished job gives you energy for the next. I would love to hear from you. Which of these changes do you think would make the biggest difference in your daily routine? Share it in the comments. Sometimes just writing it down helps you actually start. None of these changes are complicated. None of them ask for more time or more strength. They simply ask for a different way of looking at your home and your habits. Small shifts, done with calm and consistency, add up to a house that practically takes care of itself. You do not need to change everything at once. Pick one or two that feel right and let them settle into your days. The rest will follow naturally. Your home deserves that gentleness, and so do you. When the home changes, we also change a little on the inside. If you enjoy these more practical solutions and want access to more simple recipes and guidelines, I've left an organized material in the pinned comment. Keep taking care of your home with lightness. And if you feel it's the right moment, the material is there for you in the pinned comment. Thank you for your company. See you in the next video.